What if you could turn a simple text prompt into a product that sells while you sleep? In 2026, that is exactly what thousands of people are doing with Midjourney, one of the most powerful AI image generation tools ever created. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 real ways to make money with Midjourney in 2026, even if you have zero art or design experience. Let's get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. All right, 5 ways to make money with Midjourney. No fluff, let's go. Way number 1, selling AI art prints on Etsy. Etsy is one of the biggest digital product marketplaces in the world, and AI-generated wall art is one of its fastest-growing categories right now. Here's how it works. You use Midjourney to generate stunning, high-quality art prints, landscapes, abstract art, motivational posters, botanical illustrations, minimalist designs. You upload them to Etsy as digital downloads. Buyers purchase and download them instantly. You earn money without ever shipping anything. The key is picking a trending art style and niche. Boho art, Nordic minimalism, vintage travel posters, and watercolor botanicals are all performing strongly right now. To get started, generate 20 to 30 designs in your chosen style, create mock-up previews using Canva, and list them on Etsy with keyword-optimized titles and descriptions. Way number 2, creating and selling AI-generated digital products. Beyond art prints, Midjourney can help you create a wide range of sellable digital products, including custom illustrations, pattern designs for print-on-demand products, book covers, social media graphics packs, and branded visual assets for businesses. Print-from-demand is particularly powerful here. You generate a design with Midjourney, upload it to platforms like Printful or Printify, and they handle all the printing and shipping automatically. You just collect the profit. To get started, pick one product type. Phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, or wall canvases are all strong sellers. Generate 10 to 15 designs with Midjourney, upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and connect your store to either Etsy or Shopify. Way number 3, selling Midjourney prompt packs. As more people want to use Midjourney, the demand for high-quality prompts that produce stunning results is growing rapidly. A well-crafted Midjourney prompt can take someone from average results to professional-quality images instantly, and people will pay for that shortcut. You create organized, tested, high-performing Midjourney prompts around specific niches: interior design prompts, product photography prompts, fantasy art prompts, logo design prompts, and sell them on platforms like PromptBase, Gumroad, or Etsy. To get started, spend time genuinely mastering Midjourney prompts. Test everything, document your best results, then package your top-performing prompts into a clean, well-organized product and launch it. Way number 4, offering AI design services to businesses using Midjourney. Businesses need visual content constantly: social media images, marketing materials, website graphics, brand mood boards, product visualizations, and advertising creatives. Most businesses either pay expensive designers or struggle to create visuals themselves. You offer a faster, more affordable alternative using Midjourney. You position yourself as an AI creative, someone who delivers professional quality visuals quickly and at a competitive price using AI tools. Services you can offer include social media content packages, brand identity mood boards, marketing campaign visuals, and custom illustration sets for websites and presentations. To get started, build a portfolio of diverse Midjourney-generated designs across different business styles. Create a simple service listing on Fiverr or reach out directly to small businesses and startups on LinkedIn. Way number 5, building a Midjourney-focused YouTube channel or newsletter. The demand for Midjourney tutorials, prompt guides, style breakdowns, and tips is enormous right now. People are searching for this content every single day. You create a YouTube channel or a paid newsletter dedicated entirely to Midjourney, sharing tutorials, prompt secrets, style guides, and income strategies. Monetize through YouTube AdSense, affiliate commissions from Midjourney and related AI tools, sponsored content from AI companies, and paid newsletter subscriptions. This model builds a loyal audience that grows in value over time, and the content you create today keeps generating income for months and years. To get started, pick your format, YouTube or newsletter. Create your first 5 pieces of content around the most searched Midjourney topics. Publish consistently every single week. There you have it, 5 ways to make money with Midjourney in 2026. Way 1, sell AI art prints on Etsy. Way 2, create and sell digital products. Way 3, sell Midjourney prompt packs. Way 4, offer AI design services to businesses. Way 5, build a Midjourney-focused YouTube channel or newsletter. Every single one of these can be started this week with 0 design experience. All you need is Midjourney and the willingness to take action. Now, drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 ways are you going to try first? I read every single comment. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Wealth Odyssey for new videos every week on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.